Yo! So I have nothing to be apologetic for. I've just been MIA. And the reason why I have been MIA is because I'm at a course called Squadron Officer School. Unlike OTS, this is basically the Army's version of Captain's Career Course, where all the captains go to here and they basically develop you to become what is called a squadron commander. My class is actually a 6-week course versus the usual 5-week course, only because there are holidays involved with our class while we're here. So that kind of explains why I'm going to be here for the next 6 weeks. So like that of OTS, this is a long TDY, and OTS is, unfortunately, is right across the street. So I get a little bit of PTSD having to see some of the trainees, but you know, everyone who goes into the Air Force and is commissioned understands the feeling. So just a little bit of jitters when I came back, but we are here at Maxwell Air Force Base in Alabama, so that's pretty much the gist of what's going on. So the beautiful thing about it is the whole development, and you guys are seeing me as an officer develop. And I've been to so much trainings. If you've been following this vlog, like, this is just one of the many more to come. And the good thing is, at least when I finish this training, it's going to give me the opportunity to basically just slow down and not have to do anything, you know, training-wise for the next 6 months, because it's just been non-stop for me. You guys have seen it. I went to CCATT like about 3 months ago, but you know, it's been non-stop. I'm like never at home. That's, you know, that's something that I asked for, but also it's something that you have to ask yourself too, if you are willing to go down you know, the path of becoming better. And everyone goes through this course, especially if you decide to stay within the Air Force realm. So there's about 500 students. It's a lot. Apparently this is one of the bigger classes, and being able to see this much captains in one place is actually a blessing, because you see everyone in their different realms of practice, which for the line side, we are in the nursing corps, like the ones who follow us and are nurses. We are in the nursing corps, but then you have your line side equivalents who work as engineers, who work as pilots, who work as basically any other position that's not medical. So it's definitely something pretty cool, and yeah, just the networking aspect of it, you really do meet some pretty solid people. And even for me, like I've met a lot of good people already here at this course, and I just feel like it's a dope course. There will be a part 2 to this video. It's just more so showing you guys around the campus, and hopefully you guys get to see what it's like, especially if you're like me, you like to learn, you like scholastics, then this is probably the route you'd want to take. You do learn a lot as if you apply yourself, because if you want to learn about like leadership and how to be a better leader, this is definitely a great course for those who want to go down this route. But besides that, this is just a mini update just to keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with me. I'm trying to produce my last part of my Japan vlog. It's just I don't have time right now, and it's just been super busy, and a lot has happened. So you know, hopefully we catch up a little bit more. But for now, hope you guys are doing great, and whoever is applying to OTS, etc. Hope you guys are killing it. I don't know what else to put in the video, but just wanted to keep you guys updated. All right, you guys take care.